Namaskar, myself Sunil Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present daily weather briefing on 5th August. Let's start. In this slide, we can see monsoon activity during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 IST of 5th August 2021. In the left hand side, we see the distribution of the rainfall past 24 hours. Here we can see the widespread rainfall activity was occur over Gangetic West Bengal, Uttarakhand, West Madhya Pradesh, or Kerala and Mahe, and fairly widespread activity was over Himachal Pradesh, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, East Madhya Pradesh, or interior Karnataka, and rest of scattered to isolated activity was there. In the right hand side, we can see the active monsoon condition over GWB, and the green color shows the normal rainfall, normal monsoon rainfall activity, and red color shows the weak monsoon activity is over East India except GWB, Bihar, Central India except MP, and over Gujarat is in southern peninsula, especially over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, Telangana, and the Jammu Kashmir and Andaman and Arunachal Pradesh and Assam Meghalaya. And here is some rainfall amount. Here we can see Baran and Diamond Harbour for 14 centimeter. Baran is East Rajasthan, and Diamond West Gangati West Bengal. Banka, Harinkonda, Guna, and many more. It shows that very heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan due to the well-marked low pressure area, and the Gangetic West Bengal due to the cyclone circulation over North Bay. Now, in this slide, we can see the synoptic features of today. In the left-hand side, we can see the well-marked low pressure area over central parts of North MP, and the one cyclonic circulation extend up to mid-tropospheric level over North Bay Bengal, and monsoon trough near to the normal position from Ganganagar to the northeast Bay of Bengal, and one WD also there at 3.1, and the right hand side of the slide shows that the convective activity over the country, as this shows deep convective activity over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And here is the weather warning for next 24 hours. Due to the low pressure area, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over West Madhya Pradesh, heavy rainfall likely over Uttarakhand, East Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Ghat area of Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan Goa. And thunderstorm is also likely vary over Jharkhand, Odisha, GWB, Assam, Meghalaya, and NMT. And storm wind also very likely over southwest, east central, west central Arabian Sea, and squally weather is likely over east central Bay of Bengal. So fishermen also advised not to venture in this area. And here weather warning for next 5 days due to the well marked pressure area. Due to the low pressure area, we see the activity over central India, especially over Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan today as well as tomorrow. But later on, it will weaken during next 24 hours. Then rainfall intensity also decreases. And but we see the northeast India will also is likely to experience more rainfall activity from day one onward, and southern peninsula also likely to some scattered rainfall likely over with isolated heavy rainfall over Kerala, Tamil Nadu on day 3, day 4. Now here the expected impact and action suggested due to the very heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. Localized floating off-road, waterlogging low-lying area, occasionally reduction in visibility, dispersion of traffic in major cities due to waterlogging, minor damage of Kacha roads, possibilities of damage to vulnerable structure, localized landslide, mudslides, damage of horticulture and standing crops, or action suggested check for traffic congestion in your route before leaving your destination. Follow any traffic advisory. Avoid going to areas that face the waterlogging. Avoid staying in vulnerable structure. And please visit and download our latest update and warning for our app, Mosam app for localized specific forecasting and warning, Damni app for lightning alert, Meghdut app for agro advisory. And please follow us as IMD website mosam.imd.gov as well as on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and blog. Thank you.